robot in the phone. And I actually had a chance today to have a first look of that Honor robot phone. How exciting is that, you know? You can see that that robot is fully kind of built into the phone. As you can see, you can just slide the, the cover for it, and you can see the Honor itself. But the cool thing is that you can just press the button and it just opens itself up, and it's there. It's your companion, AI companion. And like, oh my God, obviously there is not too much, spec about it. But the case is that you can see that it's connected with AI, so it can follow you face track. So probably will be great for recording, videos, recording some, vlogs. That'll be an amazing thing because it's literally a gimbal with an AI built into your phone. Like, how cool is that, And with that, obviously, we can see that it has its own kind of a voice assistant, which is called the Yo-Yo. That's what they actually introduced here. And it is, absolutely amazing. So I saw that, it actually it was asked, what am I wearing? And immediately said, I'm wearing some black t-shirt with some pink lanyard. So it actually went into the details and was asked, where am I, like exhibition? And immediately said, hey, here you are. And it's just so cool because it shows like how technology is changing, and that Honor robot phone is just something which could, it's actually bringing something new, because obviously like everyone just bring new processors, like new cameras, like it's normal. But to actually have a camera that, you can put the phone and, it opens up and it's your kind of companion friend, because, you see that it reacts with you, it will follow you. You can fully rotate it 360, so it has a gimbal. That is just, something which I think it's absolutely amazing. It makes, the phone kind of journey totally innovative. And what Honor is doing with it, it's like, I'm just so impressed. Obviously, this is a concept phone. And from what I've learned, there is no price yet, there's no exact spec yet, and there is no deadline, there is no date yet. But I really hope that it might be this year, because the case is that this is just something which is changing the 2026. And I think, if you liked it, just like and, subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on. See you next video. Take care.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly. Breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.